Here, Santosh Kumar, your maths teacher from Varanasi. I did my graduation in education and also qualified CTET exams. So, let us come on our topics. So, today our topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a word which came from two words, trigno and metro. So, trigno means triangle and metro means measure. It means it gives the relation between the side of length and angle ratio of a triangle. So earlier in earlier classes, you already know about the triangle. Triangle is bounded by three sides, and there are four types of triangles. One is isosceles, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, and last one is right angle triangle. Basically, in trigonometry, we use right angle triangle. Why it is called right angle triangle? Because it has one internal angle which is 90 degree. See, here it is a figure of right angle triangle which has an angle 90 degree. Na? This is that's why it is called right angle triangle. So let's come to our topic. So there are six basic ratio in trigonometry, which are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. These are all the ratio which is used to find the relationship between the length side of triangle and the angle of the triangle. So, before going to learn about the ratio of trigonometry, firstly we learn about the right angle triangle. So there are three sides in right angle triangle. One, the longest side is hypotenuse, and the next one is perpendicular, and the last one is base. On the help of this length of the side, we use and you can find the ratio of the trigonometries, such as sin theta. Sin theta is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. See, here is the right angle, but this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. By the help of this, we can find the relationship between the length of the side of right angle triangle and angle of a right angle triangle. So sin theta is become the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Cos theta is the ratio of base and hypotenuse. Tan theta is the ratio of perpendicular and base, and cot theta is the ratio of base and perpendicular. Sec theta is the ratio of hypotenuse and base, and cosec theta is the ratio of hypotenuse and perpendicular. But below these three ratios, they are the reciprocal of above three ratios. So see cot theta. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of 1 upon cos theta, and cosec theta is the reciprocal of 1 upon sin theta. Similarly, tan theta is also the ratio of sin theta and cos theta too. So it becomes sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. So now in trigonometry ratio we use Pythagoras theorem also. So earlier in earlier classes you learned about Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is the square of hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of square of perpendicular and base. So by the help of this you can find the value of the hypotenuse, perpendicular and base of a right angle triangle. So actually in right angle triangle, whenever you choose different angles, means the two angles, the perpendicular and base also change. See here, if you take this angle, then what is the perpendicular in this triangle? The opposite of that angle, it become perpendicular, and the side that is attached to the angle is become base. Similarly, when you take this angle, then its perpendicular become this one and its base become this one. Okay, so this is will help you to determine the perpendicular and base of a right angle triangle. So let us understand it clearly by the one example. So our first example example is find sin C. Here is the right angle triangle at B. Okay, so the value of perpendicular is 12 and base is 5. How you can say that it is perpendicular? Because we are taking this angle. That's why the opposite side it become perpendicular and attached side is become 5. That's why we take its perpendicular and base is 5. But earlier I was told you that the sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. But you have the only value of perpendicular and you have to find the value of hypotenuse. So how you can find? By the help of Pythagoras theorem. So put it h square equal to p square plus b square. Okay, so value of p is 12, so it becomes 12 square, and value of b is 5, it becomes 5 square. So 12 square means 144 and 5 square is 25. When you add, it becomes 169. But here you see that here is it is h square, but you have to find only the value of h. So you put it, you can find the square root of this 169. So it becomes 39. So what you get the value of h? It becomes 13. So the formula of ratio of sin c is p upon h. The value of p is 12 and value of h is 13. So what is the answer of sin c? It becomes the 12 upon 13. The ratio of sin c is 12 upon 13. So okay dear student, I hope you understand very well and enjoy my class. Thank you very much.